You need to lay a marker with 4 sizes on a fabric with 4 horizontal quality zones, for example shade zones. Let AutoMarker lay the pieces of the different bundles in regard to these zones. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for Smart Placement. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group. Click on the tab Shade Zones. Click on Add Zone. Indicate that you have 4 horizontal zones. That they are distributed proportionally. And that there is one overlapping tolerance between the zones. Click on OK to save the group definition and close the windows. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has laid the pieces of one bundle in one quality zone. Some pieces have been laid in a tolerance area between 2 zones.